Okay, my friends, so this is how it looks. So I still need to work on this area and up here, but this is how it works. Great. They slide right in. Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we are checking out and reviewing these shelf dividers. They're clear shelf dividers, and each pack is a 6-pack. Let's go ahead and open them up, show you guys what they look like, and then also install them, show you guys how they look installed. So they're very simple, anybody can put them on, and this is what they look like. And all you do is you put it on your shelf, pretty much like this. So here's just a better view. Nice, clear. Alright, let's go ahead and show you guys how they look installed. And closes perfectly fine. So as you see, we got a lot of cupboards. So we're going to be working on all the rest. But for now, I'm going to have to clean out all the cupboards. I cleaned this section out to do it, and I love it. It helps keep, you can raise your bowls up high, and you don't have to worry about them falling over onto your other side, or you know, whatever you're putting in here. Works in all different areas. You don't have to use it for, you know, your kitchen. You can use it really many different areas. Yeah, we love them.